Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghost GTA online. To become invisible to other players, simply open your phone and call Lestercrest. Select the Off the Radar option from his menu. This will cost you $500 and keep you hidden from the map for 1 minute, giving you a crucial advantage in many situations. Use it wisely to surprise opponents or escape danger. Another powerful way to go ghost is by using Ghost Organization. As a CEO or MC president, open your interaction menu, navigate to SecuroServe, and select Ghost Organization. This ability costs $12,000 and hides all your business activities and members from the map for 3 minutes. It's perfect for safely delivering valuable cargo or launching a surprise attack. For ultimate stealth, consider combining Off the Radar with Ghost Organization for a longer period of invisibility. Remember, passive mode is also an option if you wish to avoid all player versus player combat entirely. Always plan your movements and objectives before activating these abilities to make the most of their duration and surprise your enemies effectively. Always keep an eye on the timers and cooldowns for your stealth abilities. Reactivate them promptly to maintain your hidden status and keep your enemies guessing. Mastering these ghosting techniques will significantly improve your strategic gameplay in GTA Online. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.